Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start standing at the driver's seat with the ignition on and the cluster lit. First, make sure the car is parked and stable. Then press and hold the trip and reset buttons on the steering wheel or dash to wake the service menu. Do this because the system needs a deliberate input to enter diagnostic mode. Once the menu appears, navigate using arrow keys or the control knob. You want to reach the service or service menu entry before proceeding to reset options. Once you're in the service menu, scroll to the appropriate maintenance item, oil change, inspection, or general service, and select it. You do this because each item tracks its own counter and must be reset individually. Make sure to read the on-screen prompt. It will ask for confirmation or require holding OK. If it asks for mileage or a code, confirm values. Otherwise, press and hold OK/reset until the confirmation completes. To finish, exit the menu and switch ignition off then on again to force the cluster to refresh. You should see the service message cleared. If it remains, repeat the exact reset steps. Sometimes the command didn't register, or select each tracked item individually. If you still have issues, check the battery voltage and electrical connectors because low voltage can block resets. And if necessary, consult the owner's manual for model-specific codes, or visit a dealer for diagnostic clearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.